The first of the AirTM partners is Freecash. You can see with 1 to 2 hours a day, you'll be able to make over $50 per day with Freecash. I did a full video of Freecash. The link of the video will come out here. That video will help you. The next great partner of AirTM that will earn you a lot of USDC is SproutGigs. With minimum of 20 hours per week, you'll be able to get $50 worth of USDC every week working on this platform. I've done multiple withdrawals on SproutGigs using AirTM. The link of a video will come out here. That video will take you through my proof of earnings on this platform. TimeBucks is another great platform that's partnered with AirTM. With 20 hours weekly working on TimeBucks, you'll be able to make $1 to $10 per day. Another platform that's partnered with AirTM that will help you get free USDC is Remotask. All you need is 20 hours every week on Remotask to earn dollars of worth of USDC. NeoBux is another platform that's partnered with AirTM that will help you get free USDC on AirTM. With 20 hours per week, you'll be able to make between $3 to $5 worth of USDC on NeoBux. ToCapture is another partner of AirTM that will earn you free USDC on AirTM. All you need is 40 hours every week and you'll be able to make between $1 to $10 worth of USDC every day. Get Paid is another platform. With 1 to 2 hours every day, you'll be able to get between $10 to $20 worth of USDC every day. I did a comprehensive review of AirTM partners. That is 5 solid websites that will pay you via AirTM. The link of the video will come out here. You can check out that video. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video. You will have access to a free gift of $1 from AirTM when you use that link. You will see the links to access all the partners of AirTM that will help you earn free USDC below the description of this video. All you need to do is to sign up and start working on those platforms.